This is our lecture 2 of group theory. In previous lecture we will discuss the definition and some example of group theory. In this lecture we will discuss some important theorem of groups. Theorem number 1: if A is the identity element in group G, then A is unique. In other words, identity element in a group is unique. We prove the uniqueness of identity element. We will prove this by method of contradiction. So suppose on contradiction, contrary that E and E dash be two identity elements of group G. We contrary suppose that E and E dash be two identity elements belong to G. First we take E as identity. Since E dash the element of G, so we can E steric E dash or E dash steric E, this is equal to E dash, because E is identity. Now in second step we take E dash as identity. Since E is the element of G, so we can write that E dash steric E over equal to E steric E dash. This must be equal to E, because E dash is identity multiplied by some element is equal to this element. So this is 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 implies that E dash is equal to E, which shows that identity element is unique in a group. Secondly, we will prove that the inverse is unique. Inverse in group G is unique. First we prove that identity is unique. Now we prove that inverse is unique. By same method we will prove that by contradiction. On contrary, suppose that for A belong to G, I suppose that this A in G have two inverse. On contrary, I suppose that one is A dash, let's suppose, and A double dash be two inverse of A. So I can write by the definition of inverse, A steric A inverse over A inverse steric A, this is equal to identity, because A inverse and A are inverse of each other. And also A steric A double dash over A double dash steric A is also equal to E, because I have take A and A dash and A double dash, both are inverse of E. We prove that A dash and A double dash is equal to. Now since from 1 I can say that this is the element or of group G, A steric A dash, and we apply A double dash on that. So this is equal to A double dash steric, this is equal to E, because these are inverse of each other by the definition. Now here we apply associative law. So A double dash steric A dash is equal to A double dash. Here A dash and A are also inverse of each other, so we write E steric A dash is equal to A double dash. Then A dash is equal to A double dash. We will assume that A and A double dash be the inverse of an element, and by proving we get that A dash and A double dash are equal. So this shows that inverse of each element in group G is unique. Next theorem is that the only element in a group, idempotent element in a group, is identity. The only idempotent element in a group is identity. Idempotent mean the element of order 2. Let's suppose A be the idempotent element if A square is equal to A. If A square is equal to A, then A will be idempotent element. So we have proved that idempotent element in a group G is only identity. So let's suppose A belong to G is idempotent element. I assume that A belong to G is idempotent element. Then by definition of idempotent, A square must be equal to A. Applying inverse on both sides, A inverse into A square is equal to A inverse A. Here we write that A inverse A square is A dot A and A inverse A is identity. Since A inverse and A is also identity, A is equal to E. So this shows that A is equal to E. This proves that only idempotent element in a group is identity.